Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in as an employee in Napa website, which is website of auto parts. For this, you have to search Napa Employee Login, the search Google, and then simply click on Employee Login link. You can see the login form for employee, and we have to fill up username and password. Let me put username as temp user, and then you have to fill your password so that it will be correct. Fill your password of user account. After all this, simply click on this login button, and if all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged in as an employee in this website. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.